What's the meaning of center point? Center point. Center point.
Center point. Center point. Center point can refer to different things depending on the context. One possible meaning is its status as a prominent building in London, England. The skyscraper was completed in 1966 and is located at the junction of Oxford Street and Tottenham Court Road. However, center point can also simply mean the exact center or focal point of something, such as a target or image. In general, the term center point implies a central location or focus that may have importance or significance in a particular situation.